if I want to get in the water again, is that an extra charge? Does my prosthetist have to get a prescription or give a prescription, get an approval, blah, 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 and the whole line?
It depends. You know, some of it is going to rely on your insurance. If you have insurance that will cover a secondary prosthesis that you can devote to water, you know, we don't necessarily specify swimming alone, because if you do water, you can use it in the shower, you can use it in the lake, you can go to the water park, you can go to the beach, whatever. If your insurance doesn't, you know, I'd still bring it up to your prosthetist, because there's things that we can do to your primary prosthesis to make it usable in the water. You know, there's metal components on your prosthesis, so the biggest concern is rust with a lot of that stuff, but we can swap it out for other stainless steel products that won't rust or corrode. So it's just something that you'll have to discuss with your prosthetist and see exactly which route is going to be best for you, whether it's insurance and a second prosthesis, or, you know, sometimes we will utilize that clear plastic test socket, and sometimes prep that for somebody so that they can use it in the water.
And you don't, I mean, Brian, you can correct me if I'm wrong, but you don't even always need a prosthesis to sit at the edge of a pool and like sit on the step of a pool if you haven't done that yet. Yep.
Yeah, the prosthesis isn't always necessary. I mean, sometimes, honestly, I mean, I'm not an amputee myself, but sometimes I would imagine that having a prosthesis on while I'm trying to swim might actually be a little cumbersome. But again, I'm not an amputee, so I can't say that specifically. But you don't start out in the water, right? You have to get from your car to, you know, the water slide or the beach or whatever, and so you still have to walk there.